Welcome to Sci-losophy, where we dissect the intricacies of science and philosophy. Today, we delve into the intriguing realm of dissociative states and what they can teach us about the nature of consciousness. Dissociative states are characterized by disruptions in a person's sense of self, identity, and perception. But what can these experiences reveal about the workings of consciousness? We'll delve into this topic today, but before we do, please remember to subscribe for more mind-bending videos. Let's go. Dissociative states refer to temporary disruptions in a person's sense of self, identity, consciousness, or perception of reality. These states can range from mild detachment to more severe dissociative disorders such as dissociative identity disorder. During dissociative episodes, individuals may feel disconnected from their thoughts, feelings, memories, or surroundings. This can manifest as experiences of depersonalization, feeling detached from oneself, derealization, feeling detached from reality, or amnesia, memory loss. Dissociative states often occur in response to traumatic experiences, extreme stress, or as a coping mechanism to deal with overwhelming emotions. Therapy and other interventions can help individuals manage dissociative symptoms and regain a sense of connection to themselves and their experiences. According to Dr. Elizabeth Howell, a leading expert in dissociation, and whose research was published in Understanding and Treating Dissociative Identity Disorder, these states offer valuable insights into the fundamental aspects of consciousness. In her research, she highlights the role of dissociative experiences in revealing the dynamic nature of consciousness and its susceptibility to disruption. Neuroscientific studies have shown that dissociative states involve alterations in brain activity, particularly in regions associated with self-awareness and attention. This suggests that consciousness is not a fixed entity but rather a continuum shaped by various cognitive processes. Dr. David Spiegel, a renowned psychiatrist and researcher, emphasizes the adaptive functions of dissociation in coping with trauma. His studies have revealed how dissociative experiences may serve as protective mechanisms, shielding individuals from overwhelming stress and adversity. From a philosophical perspective, dissociative states provide a unique lens through which to examine the nature of consciousness. Traditionally, consciousness has been conceived as a unified and coherent entity, where one's sense of self, identity, and experiences are integrated into a seamless whole. However, dissociative states challenge this notion by revealing the potential fragmentation and variability inherent in consciousness. Instead of viewing consciousness as a singular phenomenon, dissociative experiences suggest that it is multifaceted and dynamic, shaped by a complex interplay of internal and external factors. Internal factors may include psychological processes such as coping mechanisms, memory mechanisms, and emotional regulation, while external factors may encompass environmental stressor, social interactions, and cultural influences. Moreover, dissociative states underscore the intricate relationship between mind and body, as disruptions in consciousness can manifest through bodily sensations, perceptions, and behaviors. This challenges the Cartesian dualism that posits a strict separation between mind and body, suggesting instead a more integrated understanding of human experience. By acknowledging the diversity and variability of consciousness, philosophers can explore questions about the nature of selfhood, identity, and subjective experience in greater depth. Dissociative states prompt us to reconsider our assumptions about the unity and coherence of consciousness, inviting a more nuanced and comprehensive understanding of the complexities of human cognition and perception. This leads us to the question, how can I be me if I am able to view my thoughts and actions when in a dissociative state? The philosophical concept of self-awareness and the nature of personal identity. Dissociative experiences, such as depersonalization and derealization, can lead individuals to perceive themselves and their experiences from a detached or altered perspective. This raises profound questions about the relationship between one's sense of self and their subjective experiences. In a dissociative state, individuals may feel as though they are observing themselves from an external standpoint, leading to a sense of disconnection from their thoughts, feelings, and actions. This detachment challenges the conventional understanding of the self as a unified and coherent entity, suggesting instead a more fluid and fragmented conception of identity. From a philosophical standpoint, this phenomenon raises questions about the nature of selfhood and personal identity. If one can perceive their own thoughts and actions from a dissociated perspective, what does this imply about the unity and continuity of the self? Can the self be considered a stable and consistent entity if it can be experienced in such disparate ways? Some philosophical perspectives propose that personal identity is constructed through a narrative or continuity of consciousness, wherein individuals maintain a sense of selfhood through the integration of past experiences and future aspirations. However, dissociative experiences disrupt this narrative coherence, leading to a sense of existential disorientation and identity confusion. Moreover, the ability to view one's thoughts and actions from a dissociative lens highlights the subjective and constructed nature of consciousness itself. Our perceptions and interpretations of reality are shaped by a myriad of factors, including psychological, social, and cultural influences. Dissociative experiences serve as a poignant reminder of the inherent subjectivity and variability of human consciousness. In conclusion, studying dissociative states provides a unique window into the complexities of consciousness. By integrating insights from neuroscience, psychology, and philosophy, we can deepen our understanding of this fundamental aspect of human experience. Join us next time on Sci-losophy as we continue our exploration of the mysteries of the mind.